You're right. That must have been like
$50
$50
Starbucks,
for real.
This is a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this has been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone at the start of the message. This is only a test. No action is required.
Stop. Yeah, actually, give me the milk. I'll do it. I'll throw it. But if you're in New York and do that.